let's talk about taking care of our vinyl. When you first receive your vinyl, save the box and the plastic it comes with for future use. When the show is over and you are ready to pack up your vinyl, start off by making sure the area is clean and dry. This also includes your hands. Now roll up your vinyl with the graphic side facing in. Do not fold your vinyl. When storing this away, avoid placing anything on top of the vinyl and make sure that the banner is dry when storing it away. Storing the vinyl away when wet may cause a mold issue. Over time, your vinyl might start to collect dirt or even stains. Cleaning your banner every few weeks will keep it looking great. Before using our cleaning methods to clean your print, test an inconspicuous spot to make sure that the chemical does not make a permanent stain on your graphic. Avoid using any washing machines or dryers to clean up the vinyl. You can use a magic eraser or a cloth. We recommend using distilled water and using a pulling motion to remove the mark rather than a rubbing motion that risks the mark being rubbed into the vinyl. If there is a mark on a graphic image, be extremely gentle when cleaning. Too much pressure can fade the graphic. You may also use simple grain, soap, or Windex to clean a dirty area. Do not steam or iron the vinyl, as this will cause damage to your prints. You can find out more information about taking care of the different materials we offer by visiting our website linked below.